What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're playing Anime Fighting Simulator, and what we're gonna be trying to attempt is trying to beat the Ninetales. So yeah,
the Ninetales?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got my quirk overall.
Wait, that's cool.
Yeah, it's my quirk.
That's your quirk? Oh, it's kind of good though.
Yeah, it is. It's like the third best quirk in the game.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, why are you talking like that?
Hey, tell me that.
I'm so bad at angling stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. No, I'm talking about myself. Oh. Oh my god, bro. I'm so bad at angling.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, you're so bad at this.
Don't be quiet, Elijah. You barely play anime. You barely play
But I do not play it every day. I play.
No, you barely play. God, I can't angle my camera, guys.
Yeah, we can't.
I cannot. Okay, guys, come on, let's just go.
Alright, go.
At least I can fly though,
Yeah,
which
you
helps
can
me.
fly, though.
Okay then, Elijah, you barely can do anything. Okay, I forgot to press go. Okay, gook. Go. Go. Baba booey. I got Baba booey. Oh my god, guys. I'm so sorry about this.
Yeah.
Oh god, I normally do my videos on mobile. It's my first time I just got my okay, let's go fight the Ninetales.
Yeah.
Click. Click. What's up, my dude? Why do I have that activated? My quirk. I'll show you a move that I do on mobile, but this move is horrible on computer for me. For my brother would probably be god. It's a little distraction to run me away from the Ninetales.
Yeah, it was.
God. Wait, the Ninetales not even here. Yo, this setup is so bad. Elijah, stop. Can you please leave? Oh, he has the same quirk as I do. Yeah, baby. Why? Can you please go? Fine, you can watch me play Anime Fighting. Sit. Whoa. Bro, he want to go. Oh, wait, is that the United States Smash?
No.
No, that is. Bro, I can do that too. I can even do it. Rasengan! Wait, no. Rasengan! Bro, I can't do my Rasengan. Wait, let me see what my Rasengan is. Powers. R. Durability F. Chakra select key. Oh. Okay. I can kill you both with a punch. No, I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna say wanna fight after this? Wanna fight after this?
I'm sure.
Dude, no, not you. Oh. You want to fight? Fuck! Go! Okay, I just did this up there. At least I just did a little damage. Whoa, that's long. Dude, okay, you strong. Wait, you strong, boy. Why you guys watch this? I am. Lord! No, wrong way. Kagi! Guys, I can't angle my camera, guys. God, I forgot to angle my camera. Are you kidding? Actually, wait, wanna fight? Come on, let's go, buddy. Let's go. Is that here? Okay, I'm gonna say let's fight. Let's fight. I'm not spelling fight because I can't spell. Hey, Goku power good. Goku. I know. Okay, don't have to rub it in my face. Okay. Oh, whatever. He doesn't want to talk to me. Okay, well, this video is basically about trying to beat the Ninetales.
Yeah.
I'm trying to beat him attemptedly. I am attempting. God. Do you guys want to see my face? In my next video, I'll probably do a face cam, alright? Just to be Niels. Hello, my buddy. Wait, I'm gonna show my sword rapid skill. Oh, yeah,
I like your face.
My face, dude. Oh, it is. It's pretty handsome, though.
Yeah, it's handsome.
Guys, next my videos, I'm gonna be doing a promo code thing. So I'm gonna make this. Let's see what I should make this. Yes. Huh? Except now we're gonna add this one, and we're gonna add that as. Well, you have to pay Robux to change your username.
I know, but if I have a Gmail, it would be fine too.
No, I can't change my username.
No, first it says to add a Gmail.
Okay.
And then second, you have to buy it.
Okay, there it is, and then my wait, I just forgot it. Okay, E, and that's what it is.
I'm gonna have it after. I'll give you an hour longer. If you
An hour to record?
No, an hour longer to
Okay,
play.
okay. Wait, my course not even activated. Activate.
I'll give you an hour to
Attack.
What,
I'll
give you a time to do it.
Yes.
I'll give you.
I'm distracted, dude. I got my.
I'll give you an extra hour if you do your Gmail on my account.
My Gmail. Okay. Why tell you this in front of this? Oh, I can't tell you guys my Gmail because, you know, private information. Oh, yeah. Take that. Oh, he's stuck. Wow, Baba boy. Yeah. That was so bad. Hey, at least I can fly, unlike you. Barely can even fly, so you need to be quiet.
Okay.
Boy. I know, I'm so sorry, I'm pretty bad, but next time you see me, I remember in one of my videos I was recording, but I didn't want to post it, because that last time I was a fighter, now look at me. It's only been like a few weeks, and I'm already a pirate. I passed Shinobi. Now I'm gonna become a ghoul. I only got this quirk. Okay, guys, let's go to Goku, and let's see what he has to say to me. What's up, Goku? You don't know Goku. See, guys, I always have these, and I'll become a ghoul, and I'll become a hero, and then a reaper. I can't scroll. What the heck? Okay, what is this? Scroll. There. Ow. Wait, what's the last thing? My brother, he's a Saiyan. I am a weakling boy. Oh yeah, why am I doing this? Oh, Kage. Outskowski. I can't say it. Comment below if you guys know how to say it. Outskowski. Guys, sounds like a pretty weird name, but okay. I want to fly so bad. Okay, there. Now we're flying. Okay, stop rubbing it in my face. Guys, I promise you guys next time that
Light in the moon.
Be quiet. I promise you guys next time. Guys, I know my little brother, he's pretty annoying, right? Yeah, he even says it himself.
The fire round.
My fruit is activated. Why you, Baba boy. This is a really good long range fight, because like if someone was there, I could have been killing them so much right now.
Yeah, you said it.
No, I'm saying if someone was there, I'm just giving. Oh, wait, is that the new bloodlines? Wait, I already have a bloodline, but do I have enough to even get? No, that's my power, boy.
I don't know.
Baba boy. Why do you keep saying Baba boy? Okay. Yep, those are you unlock your bloodlines. I have the Sharingan. Let me deactivate my fruit right now. See, I got the Sharingan. If I can try like treachery, like let me start flying real quick. Okay, I'm flying off the cliff. You guys see, I have the Sharingan one. It's like the worst one, but should I try to get another one? Let's go. Okay, what's up, Mr. Douche? I don't even have enough. The Waterfall of Truth. Let me try that out and see if that actually helps me gain my chakra, because one of my tests are for chakra, actually. Please help me, dude. Please help me, Mr. Rick. Please help me. Okay, that did not help me, because I was still only gained 16. I don't know if they're probably telling me, oh, you're such a noob, Rod. You should even be a YouTuber. Wait, why don't you just buy Robux and become a Saiyan? Oh, everyone got a mode? Everyone else got a mode? Oh, so lit. This is going down there for real. Guys, I will meet you back and I will be back.
Bye, guys.
We're not leaving. We're not ending the video. I'm just gonna go to the Ninetales, and I'll see you guys there when I. Okay, guys, I'm back, but I didn't beat. Okay, guys, we just got back in to the Ninetales fight. So, yeah, I'm prepared to fight this time. Wait, I thought you joined. I'm pretty much. Oh, wait, wow. We have a shinobi. Wait, what? That's actually kind of cool. I used to be a shinobi. Now I'm a pirate, and then become a ghoul, and then become a hero. Am I right? Oh, I can't check. Destroy in 15 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna. Hey, Elijah, be quiet. Yo, you better be quiet. Well, Bob.
One switch.
Huh?
Well, that was okay.
Shh, can you please be quiet? Oh, I can fly. Right, I know I got the worst green one though, but I pretty much like it though. What? I thought I blasted him. Okay, guys, we have 4 minutes left. What am I saying? I be running. Look how cool I look. Look how cool I look, everybody. Look how cool. I'm strong. Dada boy, bada boy, I'm stronger than you. Baba boy, baba boy. Wait, deactivate. Oh, snap. No. How do I want to deactivate it? Craig, Majago, what's he got? Go. I flew away from the Ninetales just a little. Yeet! Baba boy! Wrong way. Such a wrong way, but. Oh, he used that one for all. Just like. Wakajo! Boom! Wait, I forgot 7? Wait, oh my god! I can't activate. Okay, now Quirk, activate!
Yeah, Quirk.
Baba! Boy! I'm just suggesting running through like this forest of dirt. Literally, right now! Oh god. Wait, I get out of this view? Cracker noodles! I'm gonna die, cracker noodles! No, I died! Wait, bro, why do you go fight for me with the other people? Oh, man. Guys, I guess I'll have to get stronger now. I can't even use any other chakra place except the chakra tree, bro. Like, do you know how bad I am, guys? Like, next time you guys see me, I'll become better. Ah! Oh, yeah, I did a little better. How much damage did I do? Ooh, okay, that was pretty good. Got 200 straight on fleek. How much hits did I do? Oh, we got 5 hits! Bruh. I'm gonna say, who wants to fight? Who wants to fight? Who fight me? I'm gonna try to kill some of these peeps. Come on, I'm gonna say, let's go, let's fight, let's go. Why? Oh, he killed me. Oh, I can't believe he actually killed me. Now I'm gonna, he's like, hold up. Come on, let's go. Okay, wants to go. Wait, I forgot. I didn't have time to do a move. Is that how good he is? I didn't even have time to do a move. Wow, Whoa, wait, there's hell flames. Whoa. Wait, who over there has hell flames? Who over there has hell flames? Wait, is that my quirk? No, I didn't do any moves. Did I? Bro! Oh my god! Stop! My time's gonna run out to make me record this video. Please stop. What the heck are you guys saying? What the heck are you guys saying? Okay, gonna get ready. And nice smash! Boom! Boy! Whoa! Darn it. Okay, guys. Well, I guess that's it. Hope you like and enjoy. Please subscribe and like. And see you in the next one. Peace out.